Okay, this section we continue with the medium voltage drive, part B. Uh, we started with the voltage source medium voltage drive. The first one is the NPC drive, use the IGCT as a power electronic device. So NPC is we call the neutral point clamped, or sometimes we call three-level inverter. And this one use the IGCT as a device, integrated gate controlled thyristor. So this is a topology. This is a VS drive, so use diode as a rectifier, and two set of diode, 12 pulse, and you can also configure with the high pulse number. And this is the DC capacitor. And this is the inverter side, three-phase UVW. Different from the standard two-level low-volt drive, this one we have a 4 IGCT in each branch, in each phase. Each IGCT with a freewheel or diode reverse parallel, and also an extra 2 clamp diode. So this is why we call the neutral point clamped. And if we look at the U phase, if this 2 is on, this 2 is off, and this point linked to the positive DC bus. So we have a positive VDC. And also if this 2 is off, this 2 is on, and the output is negative VDC. And if this off, and this on, and this on, then depend on the direction of the current, either go this way through the clamp diode and the IGCT, or go this way to the neutral point, so 0 voltage. So each phase we have 3 voltage levels: 0, positive DC, negative VDC. So this is why we also call the 3-level inverter. And on the output side, sometimes you will have a small filter to improve the output waveform. And for the phase voltage, we have 3 levels: 0, positive VDC, and then negative VDC. So for the line voltage, line to line, we have 0, positive and negative VDC, and positive and negative double VDC. So we have 5 different voltage levels. So for the line voltage, you have a 5 level: 0, positive twice, negative twice. So this is the VFD output voltage. And this one is the voltage after filter on the motor side. So this is example of the IGCT NPC drive. Actually, this is the ABB ACS 1000. Next one is also NPC, but use IGBT as a device. The same rectifier, 12 pulse, DC, neutral point, plus, negative, positive, negative. And then on the difference, on the output, use IGBT. For IGBT, add 2 clamp diode. So same, 3 level on the line, and 5 level, 3 level for each phase, and 5 level line to line, and output filter. So one issue is, for the 3 level IGBT, if you use the IGBT with, for example, 4.5 kV, then, for the NPC topology, the maximum AC voltage will be 3 kV AC. So if the motor voltage is higher than 3 kV, for example, 6 kV, that drive cannot fit with the motor. So in the early days, some supplier, they integrated an auto transformer, step up transformer here. This transformer working as step volt from 3 kV to 6 kV, and also work as a reactor for the filter. Okay, this is introduced by Siemens in early days when they don't have a drive with high voltage output. So this is the Siemens drive, the IGBT NPC drive. Their model is GM150. And this is the another 3-level drive. It's called NPP, neutral point piloted. That means neutral point can be controlled. So rectifier the same, diode rectifier, and capacitor plus minus neutral 0, and the topology is a little bit different. For each phase, if this one is on, you have the positive. This one off, this one on, you have a negative. And when these two are off and these two on, then you have a neutral, either go this way or go this way. So also 3 level for each phase and 5 level for a line to line. This one shows, the different combination of the conductor of the components, and you can have a different voltage. Like for line to line voltage, you have 5 level: 0, plus, plus twice, negative, negative, twice negative. So this is the also 5 level online. But when we have definition for the how many level inverter, normally we will look at the line phase voltage level. The next one will be about the this is about the NPP drive. Actually, this is by Converteam. And the component they use, they call it PPI, press pack IGBT, or someone call it IEGT. Okay, so here's the control, liquid cooling system, diode stack for rectifier, DC capacitor, and inverter IGBT stack, or PPI, or IEGT, and output terminal. Okay, this is all for today's tutorial. Thank you.